Tired of watching your hard-earned money disappear without a trace? You're not alone. Most of us struggle to track our spending and stick to a budget. But what if there was a simple, user-friendly app that could take the stress out of money management? Enter PocketGuard. In today's world, we're constantly bombarded with expenses. From rent and groceries to dining out and subscriptions, it's easy to lose track of where your money is going. This can lead to overspending, accumulating debt, and a general feeling of financial anxiety. PocketGuard is a personal finance app that aims to simplify money management. It's designed to be intuitive and easy to use, even for those who aren't financially savvy. Key features and benefits. Automated income and expense tracking. PocketGuard automatically connects to your bank accounts, credit cards, and investment accounts. This eliminates the tedious manual entry of transactions, saving you time and effort. In-depth spending analysis. The app provides a clear and concise overview of your spending habits. You can easily identify areas where you're overspending and make informed decisions about where to cut back. Personalized budgeting. PocketGuard helps you create a realistic budget based on your income and expenses. It provides insights into your spending patterns and suggests ways to optimize your budget for maximum savings. In-pocket savings goals. The app encourages you to set savings goals, such as a down payment on a house or a dream vacation. You can easily track your progress towards your goals and stay motivated. In-pocket alerts and notifications. Receive timely alerts and notifications about upcoming bills, low account balances, and potential overspending. This helps you stay on top of your finances and avoid unexpected financial surprises. Debt management tools. PocketGuard offers tools to help you manage and pay down debt more effectively. You can track your debt progress, create a debt repayment plan, and even simulate different repayment scenarios. How PocketGuard helps you save money. Increased financial awareness. By providing a clear picture of your spending habits, PocketGuard helps you become more aware of where your money is going. This awareness can lead to significant behavioral changes and reduce unnecessary expenses. Reduced impulse spending. The app's ability to track spending in real time can help curb impulsive purchases. By seeing the immediate impact of your spending decisions, you are more likely to make conscious and informed choices. Automated savings. PocketGuard's in-pocket feature makes it easy to automate your savings. By setting aside a portion of your income automatically, you can build an emergency fund, save for retirement, or achieve any other financial goal. Reduced financial stress. By simplifying money management and providing valuable insights into your finances, PocketGuard can significantly reduce financial stress and anxiety. Who is PocketGuard for? PocketGuard is suitable for a wide range of users, including individuals who struggle to track their spending, people who want to create and stick to a budget, those looking to save money for specific goals, individuals who want to reduce financial stress and anxiety. PocketGuard is a powerful tool that can help you take control of your finances. By automating tracking, providing valuable insights, and encouraging mindful spending, the app empowers you to make informed financial decisions and achieve your savings goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.